Hello there, my name is Arrow, and it's time for the elimination. Okay, so today we got 5 votes. Again, Circly, you are safe with 0 votes. Surprisingly, Linus also safe with 0 votes. So as Payne's bucket. Now it is down to Paper and Paintbrush. Let's see who's eliminated and let's see who's not. Paper, don't worry, because you are safe with only 2 votes. While Paintbrush is eliminated with 3 votes. Right, what did eliminated the Marine? That's really none of your concern, thank you. Oh, Mr. Mysteries, they're so great! Okay, so the next challenge is all of you will be trapped in a dungeon and you have to get out using the items you have. If you get defeated or don't get out of the dungeon before 4 people are left, well, you're up for elimination. Go!
Oh, I'd rather use my computer than to get out of here. Oh, the internet connection is like so low here.
Hey, my name is Tablet. I'm recommended by Isa. Do you need any help to get out of here?
No, thank you. I'd rather stay here using my laptop until I get stupid internet connection.
Ugh, fine, I'm out of here. Huh? What's that? It seems to be some kind of place or some kind of building. I don't really know. Wow! Whoa! Where are these arrows coming from anyways?